To solve an equation means to find the value of the letter. We do this by getting the letter by itself on one side of the equation. An equation is like a balance. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side so it stays fair. Now let's see how this works with a simple equation. Here is an equation with x and a number. The letter x has a number added to it. To make x alone, we undo what is happening to it. The same change is done to both sides to keep the equation balanced. Now x is by itself. Every math operation has an opposite. Addition is undone by subtraction. Subtraction is undone by addition. Multiplication is undone by division. Division is undone by multiplication. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other to keep it balanced. In a two-step equation, the letter is changed by two operations, not just one. We cannot undo both steps at the same time. We undo them one at a time. Here is a two-step equation with the letter x. Two-step equations take two moves to make the letter stand alone.